Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase Auth in Bubble no-code apps, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with authenticating using Supabase Auth in your Bubble no-code app, first, ensure you have a Supabase account and a project set up. Log into your Supabase dashboard and navigate to the authentication section in the left sidebar. Here, enable the email and password sign-in method by toggling the appropriate settings. Next, head over to the API section and copy your Supabase URL and anon key. Now, open your Bubble editor and go to the Plugins tab. Search for the API Connector plugin and install it if you haven't already. After installation, create a new API configuration. Label your API something recognizable, like Supabase Auth. Set the authentication type to No Authentication as you'll handle this through Supabase. In the API base URL field, paste the Supabase URL you copied earlier. Now, you'll need to configure the authentication endpoints. Add a new API call for user registration. Set the method to post and input the registration URL, your Supabase URL, /auth/v1/signup. In the headers section, add content type with the value application/JSON. In the body section, enter the JSON format for your user details, including email and password. Next, create another API call for user login. Set the method to post and input the login URL, your Supabase URL, /auth/v1/token. Again, add content type in the headers as application/JSON. In the body, format it to accept the email and password. Once your API calls are set up, test each one to ensure they return the expected results. Now, go back to your Bubble app and create a sign-up form. Add input fields for the email and password and a button to trigger the sign-up action. In the button's workflow, choose the API call for user registration to initiate the sign-up process. Once the user successfully signs up, display a success message and, if desired, redirect them to a welcome page. Next, create a similar login form with input fields for email and password. On the login button's workflow, trigger the API call for user login. If the login is successful, store the user session data in Bubble to keep users logged in. Create a logout button to allow users to securely log out of their accounts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.